If your YouTube videos are getting 0 views, it's not because YouTube hates you. It's because you're making these mistakes. And today, I'll show you exactly how to fix them. Every successful YouTuber once made these exact mistakes, including me. The difference? They fixed them early. In this video, I'll break down the biggest mistakes new YouTubers make, and more importantly, how to fix each one step by step. Watch till the end, because mistake number 7 is the reason most channels completely fail. The biggest mistake new YouTubers make is uploading everything. One day gaming, next day motivation, next day tech tips. YouTube doesn't know who to recommend your channel to, so it recommends it to no one. Pick one clear niche and stick to it. Ask yourself, who is my audience? What problem do I solve for them? The clearer your niche, the faster YouTube understands your channel. Most people don't fail on YouTube because of bad content. They fail because people click and leave in 5 seconds. Start with a problem, curiosity, or promise. Never start with, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel." Start with why the viewer should care. New YouTubers beg for subscribers. But here's the truth, YouTube promotes videos, not channels. Focus on making one great video that people watch till the end. Subscribers will come automatically when viewers trust your content. You can have the best video in the world, but if no one clicks it, YouTube won't push it. Your title should create curiosity. Your thumbnail should show emotion or a clear idea, not text overload. One emotion, one message. YouTube's #1 goal is simple. Keep people watching longer. How to fix it? Use pattern breaks. Ask questions. Tease what's coming next. Give viewers a reason to stay. If you don't use SEO, YouTube can't understand your video. How to fix it? Use keywords in title, description, and tags. Answer questions people are already searching for. How to grow on YouTube? YouTube beginner tips. Most YouTubers quit right before YouTube starts testing their content. How to fix it? Upload consistently for at least 90 days. Improve one thing every video. YouTube rewards patience. If you avoid these mistakes, your channel already has an advantage over 90% of beginners. YouTube success isn't luck, it's strategy. And now, you have it.